Good evening, my lovely kids. Hope you all have written the answers which I have given yesterday. So, today we will continue further with the more difficult questions and then we will go with reference to contest. So, the first question, that is question number D. Please just do have a look and note it down. How would you describe the general picture painted by the poet? Is it a cheerful one? The question number E is, do you think the poet had a good sense of humor? Why? Humor means the activity which will make you laugh. So that is a humor. Let's see reference to contest. Okay, just go. Question number 2. The first one is, what is meant by the other side the way? Question number B. Why do you think the phrase no go is put in inverted commas while the other are not? Question number C. What does the ring refer to? Question number D. Comment on the phrase no afternoon gentility. So people, these are the questions which we will discuss today and I'll give you the answers for these. So now, once you have written the question, let us move to the answers. Okay, the first question is, the poet describes a month November in which there are a lot of negatives indicated by no. The poet describes the season as being one without warmth or cheerfulness. It has none of the other aspects that feature in some other month of the year. However, he does this in a cheerful way. So the poem is not depressing or sad. So people, we have seen that all the season are having some positive aspect. Like during the summer, we can see that we are having a favorite fruit, that is mangoes. During the rainy season, we can see greenery all around. And during the spring season, even it is blossom everywhere. But here, during the month of November, people just do remember every time that we are talking about a place in a foreign land, not of our country. So there they experience a very severe cold. So here we can see that nothing positive is there. The weather is not favorable and the bird has gone for hibernation or migration. People, I know you know what is hibernation. It is a long sleep which the animals do during the winter season. And migrate means the birds, they fly from one cold place to a warm place. So because of the severe cold which experience in this area, the animals have migrated or they have in hibernation. And again, because of the typical weather condition, the people are not moving from their home. So here we can see that there is no positive aspect in the month of November. But the poet has tried to make it in a proper way. He has not used any negative sense or negative words. So, though the poem is saying no about the month of November, still it is done in a cheerful way. Okay, let's move to the question number E. Although the poem is full of negative statements, the poet still manages to make it cheerful. The rhyming couplets, the use of same word to start each line, the pace at which the poem moves, all help us to make it cheerful. So, here we can see that he has described all the negative aspects of November. But still, he has used a rhyming couplet. Each line of the poem ends with a rhyme. Then each word, each line of the poem starts with the same word, that is no. So, and it is going in a proper space. Space means speed. So, though it is talking negative about the month of November, still it is not boring. So, we can see that it is a cheerful poem. Now let us continue with the reference to contest. So A, it means the other side of the road. So because of the winter season, the other side of the road is not visible. We all have experienced this. So the phrase means the other side of the road. Okay. B1, no go is in inverted commas. It is direct speech. So people, we have already learned that in direct speech means said by the speaker. So here we can see that no go is in inverted comma because it is a direct speech said by the transport authorities. The other phrase are not quote because it is a colloquial phrase. So now try to understand what is direct speech. It is a direct words told by the speaker. So here the authority, the transport authority, they told that they will not go for any travel either by train or land or by sea. So we all have experienced that during the winter season there is transportation is very much less because of the severe cold weather. So it is in a direct speech. But other phrases are a colloquial phrase. Colloquial phrase means a phrase which is used in a normal common language spoken by the people. And what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words which is not having a complete meaning. It is having a meaning but not a complete meaning. Okay. So C1, the ring is a circular course in Hyde Park in London used for riding and driving. Now the answer number D. Gentility refers to people who are courteous and well-mannered and who also belong to the upper classes. When out for walking, such people would greet each other, but as November is very cold, so nobody is walking out and greeting or talking to each other. So gentility means we have already seen that people who are having a normal common well-mannered. See, whenever we will meet anyone, definitely we will greet them, we will wish them. So these are common things which we do when we meet someone. But November is a very cold month. So people are not going out of their home. So no meeting with the people and so no courtesies to show to the other people. Students, please note down the answer. And from tomorrow onwards, today I have thought of a word, but tomorrow onwards we will start this. So have a separate copy, a rough copy only from your previous year. In that I will teach you every day a new word and then again I will teach you one alphabet of cursive writing. So both the things you have to do on a daily basis. Every day we will learn a letter of a cursive and one new word. So please continue and keep on learning. Don't wait that when school will open, we will give you the homework, then you will do. People, start learning from now only. Thank you. Be safe. God bless you all.